The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal, available anytime, anywhere. This video will demonstrate replacing your decal. If you are accessing MyDMV portal from a cell phone, you can get to the menu by selecting the three lines at the top of the screen. The menu and options are listed here. Just select a service to begin. If using a computer, from your MyDMV portal dashboard. For businesses, select Business. Otherwise, select Motor Vehicle. Then select Decal Replacement. Review your military status and make a selection if applicable. Make sure that this is your accurate residential address. You will need to buy a new driver's license or ID card if you change this address. Then, review your mailing address. Please note that you can enter a one-time shipping address at checkout. Then, select Update, Next. On the Registration Services screen, review the descriptions of the services. Then, scroll down to view your listed registrations. You can identify your registrations by the license plate number and make. Under Registration Options, select Decal Replacement. Then, select a reason for replacing the decal. After selecting your reason, select Add to Cart. On the shopping cart preview screen, review the transaction details and price. Then, select Checkout to continue. You have the option to add a voluntary contribution if you would like. Select Next to proceed. Finally, on the address confirmation screen, confirm both your residential and mailing address one more time. If you would like any of the items below to be shipped to an address different from your shipping address shown below, select the change link to enter a one-time ship to address for each item. Please allow 7 to 10 business days to process your transaction. Select Next to finalize the transaction. Replacing your registration decal has never been easier and more convenient. Thank you for using MyDMV portal.